When do you know you've made a mistake on your 3D print? The first layer, the first few minutes? How about 5 days later? I have a friend, seriously it's a friend, not me, who has been 3D printing for a while. And he's never really seen the need to get too deep into all the finer details of 3D printing, especially like, the slicer. He prints what he wants, and if he has a problem he can't fix, he calls me. See? Totally not me. For Christmas, he got a bamboo A1. I helped him set it up, mainly so I could play with it, and he started making some prints. After a few days, decided to do what most people with the A1 and the A1 Mini make. He made a purge bin, or as most people call it, a poop basket.
He's pooping?
Now, it's a pretty nice design with the bamboo logo on the side, only my friend decided to make it a little more colorful, and he's got 4 colors available, so why not use them, right? Now, I'd shown him some basics in Bamboo Studio, including a little bit on the painting capabilities, and I did tell him, obviously, that when you add color, it's gonna make your print take longer and it's gonna create some waste, but forgot to explain some basic guidelines on printing in color. So for him and you, and if I'm honest, for me too, let's break down what went wrong. First, here's the print from Maker World. It's actually pretty easy print. The designer has it with a single color and should only take about 7 hours or so. Adding a little color, as I said before, that's gonna add to your time, but it shouldn't be too crazy unless you do this. Now, after you give it a second to sink in, I do need to point out that my friend used rainbow number 3 filament from Inland for the main body, so that's where a lot of the color comes from, but obviously that's not really the problem.
Really?
Really?
Let's break this down and let's start with the bottom. Problem number 1. I asked him about the decision to make the whole bottom red instead of using the rainbow. And I pointed out that he could have saved some time because the edges are still printed in the rainbow. And evidently he intended for that to be white actually. So this was a choice, but somehow picked the wrong color or the spool or something. Which brings us to problem number 2, the bottom of the inside. And oddly enough, that's actually white. So outside walls are rainbow, the outside bottom is red, the inside bottom is white. That's 3 filaments used in less than the first 10 layers or so.
That's crazy!
Problem number 3. Staying on the inside, we see a large red diagonal going all the way from the bottom to the top. So 2 filaments here that will need to be printed for the remainder of the print. Except for problem number 4. Notice the black triangle up there? Yeah, that's going to add another filament on all of those layers. Also, when I asked him about the decision to put those triangles and colors on the inside, he didn't really have an answer. It just sort of happened.
What?
Flipping the whole thing around, we see problem number 5 with that logo on the outside. Now, there was a very definite intent to match the picture on Maker World with his color choices, and he actually did a pretty good job and got them to look really good. Except, remember that big red triangle and the little black triangle on the inside? Yeah, they're all on the same layers as this logo. Problem number 6 requires me to make an assumption, and if I'm correct, there's probably a little bit of infill that separates the inside and the back walls. So can you guess what filament would be used for that infill? Rainbow. And problem number 7 brings us to the last big mistake my friend made, and it's something I think we all do at least occasionally. We get in a hurry, want to start the print, and forget to check the details. In this case, he didn't really know what to look for since this was his first multicolor printer and he'd only had it for a few days. But had he looked at the details after he sliced it and knew what to look for, a few things would have really stood out. First off, print time. He should have been able to print this in 3 days and 16 hours, and that's a lot, especially when the website said 7 hours. Now the next thing he should have checked isn't quite as obvious: filament change times. 2,267 times it changed filaments. And that was for the 3-day print. Don't know why it took 5 days, but there's probably some other detail he forgot to tell me about, and no, the filament didn't run out. So, 7 big mistakes on coloring this purge bin that created a 5-day print mess, and there's a huge bit of irony that goes along with all this some of you probably already picked up on. The whole basket itself should have used 252 grams of filament or a quarter of a spool. The waste though, 1,206 grams, 1.2 kilograms, nearly 1¼ spools of filament just wasted.
Such a waste.
And while that really sounds like a lot, seeing that pile of waste next to that basket wow. Crazy print geometry, infill and supports, that always creates more time and uses more filament. And add in the ability to print with 4 different filaments and, well, it just really ramps up the overall difficulty. And add to that a little or a lot of user error and, well, you too could take a 7 or 8 hour print up to 5 days. Please hit like, subscribe, and share to help my channel grow, and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll keep doing my best to help us all save time and filament and learn, create, and amaze.